Hola. So we are in the period of transplanting our broccoli seedlings. Now, when I researched online, it said to transplant them when they were 4 to 6 inches tall with 2 to 4 leaves each. Well, they clearly have 2 to 4 leaves each, but they are nowhere near 4 to 6 inches tall. So we went ahead and transplanted them anyway, just to see. This little guy, he's big. Here's one. So there's our little tag there. Seeds are planted 217, transplanted 322. So we'll see what they do. And this was the 4 little tiny ones. So we just planted them all together. We'll see which ones make it. Okay, bye.